Get my water.
Super duper!
Hakuna matata kaka.
Hakuna matata kaka!
High five.
Alright, I'll go ahead and stick my feet in there. I should wash my face first. Oops. How excited are you?
For what?
The hot nuts. Well, looks like I'm leaving my 20s in the Shira Cave.
Say bye, 20s.
Bye, 20s.
Bye, youth.
Bye, 20s. Bye, youth. Happy birthday to me! Alright guys, summit day. Rachel, how you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah, it's gonna be a really, really tough day, but it's gonna be a good day.
Don't say that, you're excited.
I'm excited. I just know it's gonna be, today's gonna be a challenge.
Cool. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Hakuna Matata.
We're gonna make it.
We have to.
We're almost there.
I know. I cannot wait.
Hey, Dick.
Drinking cocktails at the safari. All right, guys.
Hey.
I've almost done times. I really don't. Well, it's right over there. It just so happens to be that we're in a blizzard. Legitimately a blizzard. Look at Rachel. The entire thing is covered in ice. We made it, babe. Rachel, please. The rest of your life. Take me with me. Go ahead. Yeah, We are 100% complete. Woo!
Nzuri sana wageni, wageni mwakaribishwa wapi? Kilimanjaro hakuna